Lagi naman. Oo. Yung buyer. I mean, I'm here. Wala may yun yung pwede sa plaza niya pag dahil sa tinipod. At ang babae. Yes. Tanya ko siya. Asa yung lugar gaw? Nangay ko nung pasay din yung pangatan ako kaya ko nagsuri gaw. Always gaw. Asa yung lugar loading sila. Mag-rumors kaayong. O de gaw. Kaya din ang Visayan market. Ah, kaya din ang Visayan market yun. Tipid. Ano ba na baboy? Kaya na daw na. Matagsan nga sa una dahil kumunta din nga ka na ito. Sa una ang mababoy di mo gatuti. Ito may kulong. Yes, kasi may Yan na. Terus aku nagdais lagi. Ang chat sa ini kemana? Okay, okay, Carol. Okay, let's continue, Carol. Ha, wait me a minute. Okay. Ito, Manila tayo. Okay, now Carol, please put the letters in correct orders to complete the sentences. Okay, please right now, you can try to write in the chat box because you have to arrange this one. Excuse me, do you know if the theater is around this? What is this?
Excuse me, do you know if the theater is around this area?
Okay. So would you happen to know where the Vibe Hotel is? It's supposed to be near a Blanc. What is that? Near a?
Near nearest
Okay.
crossing
Near the clothing? Okay, near the, wait, let us check. Ah, it's near the Pedestrian crossing. Okay. Near the pedestrian crossing, an area. Number one is area. Two is pedestrian crossing. How about this? Then turn right. Okay, up the street about the block and turn right.
Go straight ahead up the street about a block and then turn right.
Okay, very good. Okay. The hobby shop, I'm supposed to go to it just around this. Where?
This block.
Very good. Around this block, teacher. Okay. Now, look at this one. So, choose the thing, the correct answer. Where, huh? Okay. So, what do you think here? So, the scenario, Carol, you are lost in the New York City and cannot figure out how to get back to the 1 week New York hotel. So you ask a woman in a car how to get there. Okay, the challenge. You are out of money and you have to get back to your hotel. How do you ask someone the best way to get there? You don't have money anymore, but you want to get back to the hotel. How you are gonna ask someone that you are gonna get back there? How? You will gonna How you will gonna ask someone that you will gonna get back there?
I think I ask someone,
I
can
think I'll
you
ask someone. Can you?
can drive drive me to the hotel?
Can you drive me to the hotel? So you will gonna ask someone, please, can you drive me to the hotel? Will you going to do that, Carol? Are you sure? Will you do that? You will gonna say, oh, I don't have money. Because you don't have money. So and you want to go back to the hotel. How you gonna tell it to someone? You will
Yes,
gonna tell?
yes.
You will gonna tell that?
Maybe
Hello. You will gonna tell that?
I
You or
can
what
tell
you
that
oh.
I am out of money.
Mhm.
Can you help me to get back to my hotel, please?
Okay, very good. Of course, you will gonna say, so can you help me buy tickets and you can help me assist me to go back to the hotel, please. Very good. Yes, Carol. So in that one, Carol, so like things like this, that example you lost, you will gonna have to ask proper description or directions to the people. Okay, especially most likely security guard, policeman. Okay, so you have to do that. Do not keep on asking things to the people that you don't know. You need to make secure that the people that you ask for are security guard, policeman. Okay, so they are the one who knew about that. Okay? Very good. Yay. Okay. So, Carol, sorry, teacher Anne has another class. Okay, I will end up my lesson and I will see you on Monday. Okay, Carol. See you on Monday. Bye for now, Carol. Sorry for tonight. My camera isn't working. Okay?
Sure.
Yes. Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay. Good night.